Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up an automatic workout playlist on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can get your watch to play a playlist from Apple Music automatically when you begin a workout. This is how. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down to the Workout app and tap on it. In the Workout settings, scroll down and tap on Workout Playlist. You can now select a playlist from your Apple Music account. You can then choose whether to shuffle the playlist each time or to play it from the beginning. The next time you begin a workout on your watch, it will start playing that playlist automatically. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.